this foam piece always falls off, I like to just tape it up. So on this foam piece, it's not secured by anything. It's just put in there, so it just keeps on falling off. So I like to put a little bit of tape to help me out. And then on the side of the car, where I know I'm gonna hit the bumper with it, I like to put a little bit of tape. So I don't scratch it up. Same on the other side. Go ahead and put on the bumper, line it up first. Like that. Now remember, you have these fog lights, then you need to put the bolts back in. Twist that back in there. Same on this side, and then plug back in. There you go. Line up the bumper. So prevent it from, if there's any issues lining it up, go ahead and look behind here. Make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Just like that. Look underneath. There you go. Alright. So now this should be going in pretty smooth a few seconds here. But first I like to secure my bumper so it doesn't fall off on me. So we got the customer the new push pins. Everything like that. Push it up. Secure the bumper so it doesn't fall off on us anymore. Secure it. Secure it. Alright, so this one, go ahead and push it in just like that. And come to the other side. Alright, so now we're going to go underneath and put the bolts back in, and then we're going to work our way to the sides. So go ahead and line up your fender liner just like that. Just like that. This is what we do. Go.
these screws right here. Not these screws, but these screws. Put them underneath there. Then with these screws, you put them in this one right here. Then you walk away to the other side. Alright, we're all done in the bottom. Alright, so on the fender liner, you want to push it back in. The customer didn't want to replace the fender liner, so we try our best to put it back into place. Like that. Put the screw back in. I highly recommend you guys change the fender liner if it's broken and you have difficulty putting it back in. You can use an extension underneath. Put the bolt first in there, and then there you go. Secure. Go ahead, take off the tape. Anything on this side? There you go. You can use extension. Nice. There you go. Sometimes it's hard to find a bracket. Here, take off the tape.
Alright guys, so we installed that 2008 Toyota 4Runner front bumper. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts, go to www.revemoto.com. If you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe to us. If you guys go ahead and turn on that push notification to get more videos from us. We just do a weekly video. Thank you guys.